Hello everyone. How are you? Today about the Amazon rainforest is home to the world's largest snakes, the anacondas. Among them, the green anaconda stands out as the heaviest and longest, often reaching lengths of 8 to 10 meters. These giant constrictors live mostly in rivers, swamps, and flooded forests, where they silently ambush prey such as fish, capybaras, caimans, and even jaguars. Alongside the green anaconda, the Amazon also shelters the yellow anaconda. The dark-spotted anaconda and the Bolivian anaconda, each adapted to different parts of the basin. Unlike venomous snakes, anacondas kill by coiling around their prey and suffocating it. Powerful yet secretive, they play a vital role in maintaining the balance of the Amazon's ecosystem. Now describe elaborately Amazon rainforest boas and anacondas. Detail the Amazon rainforest is home to some of the world's largest snake species. Primarily, boas and anacondas. The most famous is the green anaconda Unex marinas, keenest snake on Earth. Green anacondas can reach lengths of over 8 to 10 meters, 26 to 33 feet. In rare cases, they can weigh more than 250 kilograms, 550 pounds, making them the world's heaviest snakes. Green anacondas are non-venomous constrictors, meaning they kill prey by coiling around it and suffocating. Their bodies are covered in olive-green scales with black blotches, providing excellent camouflage in water. They live mostly in swamps, marshes, and slow-moving rivers of the Amazon basin. Green anacondas are excellent swimmers and spend much of their lives submerged. They are ambush predators, waiting quietly for prey to approach. Their diet includes fish, birds, caimans, capybaras, and sometimes even jaguars. Female green anacondas are much larger than males, a rare trait in snakes. They reproduce through parity. Females give birth to live young, not eggs. A female can give birth to 20 to 40 live young at once. Green anacondas are considered apex predators of the Amazon. Despite their size, they are secretive and rarely seen by humans. Another species is the yellow anaconda, smaller than the green type. Yellow anacondas are usually found in Paraguay and southern parts of the Amazon basin. They measure around 3 to 4.5 meters, 10 to 15 feet on average. Their yellowish-brown skin is decorated with dark brown blotches. Yellow anacondas prefer shallow waters and flooded grasslands. They primarily eat fish, small mammals, and birds. Yellow anacondas are more aggressive than green ones when threatened. The dark-spotted anaconda Unex deswansei is a rarer Amazon species. It inhabits the swamps and marshes of northern Brazil and French Guiana. Dark-spotted anacondas grow up to 3 to 4 meters, 10 to 13 feet. They are slimmer than green anacondas and less studied due to their elusive nature. Their body pattern is made up of dark, irregular spots across a grayish-brown background. They feed mainly on fish, aquatic birds, and amphibians. Another lesser-known type is the Bolivian anaconda, Unex beaniensis. It is found in the wetlands of Bolivia near the Amazon basin. Bolivian anacondas can grow around 4 to 5 meters, 13 to 16 feet long. Their coloration is similar to the green type, but slightly lighter. They were only recognized as a separate species in the early 2000s. The Amazon also hosts boa constrictors. Boa constrictor imperator. Boa constrictors grow up to 3 to 4 meters, 10 to 13 feet. They are highly adaptable, found in rainforests, dry forests, and even near villages. Their skin is patterned with brown and reddish markings for camouflage. Unlike anacondas, boas are more terrestrial but can swim if needed. Boa constrictors hunt rodents, birds, monkeys, and lizards. They play a vital role in controlling rodent populations in the Amazon. Boas are often kept in captivity due to their docile behavior. The rainbow boa Epicrates centria is another Amazon species. Rainbow boas are smaller, reaching 1.5 to 2 meters, 5 to 6.5 feet. They are named for their iridescent scales that shimmer in rainbow colors under light. Their base color is reddish-brown with circular dark markings. Rainbow boas prefer humid rainforests and riverbanks. They feed mainly on small mammals, birds, and reptiles. Rainbow boas give birth to live young, usually 10 to 15 at once. Indigenous Amazonian tribes sometimes fear and revere these snakes as spirits of water. Collectively, Amazon, boas, and anacondas are vital for ecosystem balance, keeping prey populations under control and serving as both predator and prey in the rainforest food web. Thanks for watching. See you next video.